Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Areen. Today we will solve Achiever section questions of 2023-24 paper for class 4. Let's see the questions of set A. Now we are in Achiever section. Question number 31. If the digit at hundreds place and unit place in each of the following numbers are interchanged, then find the Roman numeral for the new numbers formed. So number given is 3518. If we interchange the hundred place digit with the unit place digit, it will become 3815. Similarly for 2917, the number will become 2719. Now let's see the options. So let's check the option A. So triple M is 1000, triple M is 3000 plus D equals to 500. Triple C is 100, so 300. Then X is 10, V is 5. So total is 3815. So let's see the second Q. M is 2000, D is 500, C is 100, so CC is 200, X is 10 and IX is 9. So total is 2719. So we get the option A as our answer. Question number 32. Read the given statements carefully and state T for true and F for false. 1. The largest factor of a number is always 1. So this statement is false. It is the smallest factor of a number. 2. There are 6 common multiples of 5 and 15 that lie between 1 and 100. So common multiple of 5 and 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75 and 90 between 1 to 100. So these are 6. So this statement is true. Statement 3. The SCF of 40 and 200 is 20. So highest common factor of 40 and 200 is 40, not 20. So this statement is false. So we have false, true and false. So our answer is option D. Question number 33. The given table shows the points scored by Raghav and Punit in 3 rounds of a quiz competition. If Raghav scored 40 points less than Punit in the second round, then A. What fraction of total point is scored by Raghav in second round? So it is given in the second round Raghav scored 40 points less than Punit. So in second round Punit scored 80, so Raghav will score 40. Now what fraction of the total point is scored by Raghav in second round? So total points scored by the Raghav is 50 plus 40 plus 90, which is 180. And the fraction of the second round is 40 divided by 180. Or we can write it as 4 by 18 or 2 by 9. Now let's see the B. Who won the quiz and by how many points? So total point scored by the Raghav is 180. Now let's calculate for the Punit. 70 plus 80 plus 60, which is 210. So Punit won by 210 minus 180, which is 30. So our answer is option C, 2 by 9, Punit 30 points. Question number 34. The given pictograph shows the number of tickets sold for 5 movies on Sunday. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. So here each ticket stands for 150 tickets. So we write down the number of tickets here. So this is 5 times 150, this is 4 times 150, this is 7 times 150, this is 6 times 150 and this is 3 times 150. So we have written here. Now let's see the P. If each ticket cost rupees 250, then how much more money was earned on selling tickets for movie T than movie U? So total number of tickets sold for T is 1050 and for U is 450. So we subtract 450 from 1050 and multiply by 250. So we get rupees 1,50,000. Now let's see Q. Find the fraction of number of tickets sold for movie S to the number of tickets sold for movie W. So number of tickets sold for movie S is 600 and for W it is 900. So 600 divided by 900 is 6 by 9, or we can write it as 2 by 3. So our answer is 1,50,000 and 2 by 3, which is option C. Question number 35. Study the given pictures carefully and arrange them in ascending order according to their weights. So here we have book, teddy and bike. So book we have written as B, teddy as T and bike as BI. Now let's see the scale here. So book plus teddy equals to 900 gram, teddy plus bike equals to 950 gram and book plus bike equals to 850 gram. Now let's add this equation 1 and equation 2. We get book plus bike plus 2 teddy equals to 1850 gram. Now we can replace the value of book plus bike from equation 3. So we get 850 gram plus 2t equals to 1850 gram. So 2 teddy bear equals to 1000 gram and 1 teddy bear equals to 500 gram. Now put the value of teddy bear in equation 1. So we get book plus 500 gram equals to 900 gram. Thus the weight of the book is 400 gram. Now replace the weight of book in this equation 3. So 400 gram plus bike equals to 850 gram. So weight of bike equals to 450 gram. Now we have to arrange in ascending order. So lowest is book, then bike, then teddy. So book, bike and teddy. So our answer is option C. Now let's solve the Achiever section question for set B.
Now we are in the Achievers section. Question number 31. Fill in the blanks and select the correct option. So first, the greatest 5-digit number that can be formed by using the digit 3059. Use each digit at least once is. So here 4 digit is given. We have to make a 5-digit greatest number. So we can use 9 2 times. So 99530 will be the greatest 5-digit number using all the digits. So this is 99,530. The Roman numeral for the greatest 3-digit even number is. So we know greatest 3-digit number is 999 and even number is 998. For 998 the Roman numeral is, we can write down 900 plus 90 plus 8. So 900 we have CM, for 90 we have XC and for 8 we need 5 and 3 times I. So this will be the code. Now third one, the number 57,842 when rounded off to the nearest thousand place becomes. So 1000 place will be 57,000 will become 58,000 because 842. It is more than 500. So it will be 58,000. So first is 99,530. So it can be either B or C. Second is CM, XC, VIII. So it will be B and 58,000. So correct answer is option B. Question number 32. Study the given figures not drawn to scale carefully and answer the following question. So some length are missing. We first write down the length which are missing. So if you see here, this is not given. But if you see parallel lines 2 plus 1, so it will be 3. Now this line is given 2. This is same as this line, so it will be 2 centimeter. Now to calculate this line, we need to calculate the total length, which is 5 plus 5 10. Then 4 plus 4 8. So 10 minus 8 equals to 2. So it will be 2 centimeter. Now let's calculate the length of each figure. So P is 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 9 equals to 45 centimeter. Now let's calculate for Q. 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 5 equals to 30 centimeter. Now calculate for the R. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8. Total is 37 centimeter. So among this, P is having the maximum perimeter, which is 45 centimeter. So our answer is option A. Question number 33. Match the time given in column 1 with its 24-hour clock time given in column 2 and select the correct option. So in column 1, first is 8:30 in the morning. So 8:30 is it 8:30. So it's in the morning, it will remain the same in 24-hour clock, which is B. Second is 9:15 in the night. So it's 9:15 p.m. So in p.m. it will, if we convert it into 24 hours time, it will become 21:15, which is option A. Now the third one, 20 minutes to 7 in the evening. So it is 6:40 p.m. in the evening. So it will become in 24 hours clock, it will become 18:40, which is option C. So first is B, second is A, and third is C. So our answer is option D. Question number 34. If circle plus triangle plus square equals to 5 3/10, triangle plus triangle equals to 5 1/5, and circle plus square equals to 3 9/10, then find the value of square plus triangle. So let's see. First it is given circle plus triangle C plus T plus S equals to 10 times 5 50, 53/10. So now let's see, 2 triangle equals to 5 times 5 25 plus 1 6, so 26/5. Now let's see here, circle plus 2 square equals to 10 times 3 30 plus 9 39/10. Now here we can get the value of triangle, which will be triangle equals to 26/10. Now replace the value of triangle in equation 1. So we will get C plus S equals to 53/10 minus 26/10. So we get the value of C plus S 27/10. Now subtract fourth from third, we get. So we subtract these two equations, we get S equals to 39/10 minus 27/10. So S will become 12/10. Now we got the value of T and we got the value of S. Now we have to calculate the S plus T. So S plus T will be 12/10 plus 26/10, which is 19/5, or we can write down as 3 4/5, which is option C. Question number 35. Identify the number using the given clues. So if you see, it is talked about 10,000 place as well. So it's a 5-digit number. So we have written 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Now first option is its 100 place digit is 5 more than the tens place digit. So right now we don't know the tens place digit, so we cannot use this clue. Now let's see, its 1 place digit is the greatest 1 digit prime number. So 1 digit prime number, greatest 1 digit prime number is 7. So we replace the ones unit with the 7. Now see the next clue. Is 10,000 place digit is third multiple of 2. So third multiple of 2 is 6 and 10,000 place is this one. So we replace 10,000 place with the 6. Now let's see the next clue. This tens place digit is the HCF of 4 and 18. So HCF of 4 and 18 is 2. So we replace it with the tens place. Now the last clue is its 1,000 place digit is 6 less than the ones place digit. Now we have the ones place digit 6, 7, and it is 6 less than, so 7 minus 6 equals to 1. So at the 1,000 place we have put the 1. Now go back to the first clue. Its 100 place digit is 5 more than the tens place digit. Now at the tens place digit we have 2. So we add 5, we will get the 7. So its 100 place digit will be 7. So the number will be 61,727. 7, which is option C.
Now let's solve the Achiever section questions for set C. Question number 31. Match the following and select the correct option. So let's first calculate the values in column 1. So these are Roman numerals. We have to calculate the value. So here I have written the combination as well as the individual value. So D is 500, C is 100, X is 10, V is 5. C is 100 and IX is 9. So we get the value 724. Now let's see Q. M is 1000, CM is 900 minus CD is 400, L is 50, X is 10 and IX is 9. So we get 1431. Now let's see R. CD equals to 400, X equals to 10 and IV equals to 4. Then triple C is 300, X is 10 and V is 5. So total is 729. Let's see S. M is 1000, so 2M is 2000. D is 500, L is 50, V is 5 and I is 1. Minus CM is 400, XL equals to 40 and then IX equals to 9. So let's write down the value. We get 1607. Now let's calculate the value in column 2. So 1. M is 1000, CD is 400, triple X is 30 and I is 1. So we get 1431. Now here M is 1000, D is 500, C is 100, V is 5 and I is 1. So 2I is 2. So total is 1607. Now let's see the value of third. D is 500, C is 200, XX is 20 and IV is 4. So total is 724. Now let's see the value of fourth. D is 500, CC is 200, XX is 20 and IX is 9. So total is 729. So P is 3. So either B or D. Now Q is I. So Q is 1. So our option B is correct. So answer is option B. Question number 32. Select the incorrect option. A. An equilateral triangle has exactly 3 lines of symmetry. So this is the correct one because all 3 lines are of same length. So it has 3 lines of symmetry. B. If the perimeter of a square is 48 cm, then the length of a side is 12 cm. So length of the side will be 48 divided by 4, which is 12 cm. So this statement is also correct. All closed shapes are symmetric. This is incorrect. Option D. Figure is given is the net of a cube. This is true because it is having 6 faces. So our option C is incorrect, which is our answer. Question number 33. The given pictograph shows the number of different types of birds Karthik has. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. So each figure represents 5 birds. Now let's see one. How many more swans than hornbill does Karthik have? So swan are 6 and hornbill are 2. So 6 minus 2 and each represent 5. So 6 minus 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 20. Now let's see 2. If all the sparrow and hornbill flew away, then find the fraction of number of parrots to the total number of birds left with Karthik. So total number of birds left once the sparrow and hornbill flew away is parrot 5, pigeon 4 and swan 6, and then multiply by 5. So 5 times 5 plus 4 plus 6 equals to 75. And fraction of the number of parrots. Parrots are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 5, 25. So 25 divided by 75 equals to 1 by 3. So our option answer is 20 and 1 by 3, which is option C. Question number 34. Fill in the blanks and select the correct option. 1. In the word calculation, the fraction of vowel is. So number of alphabets are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And number of vowels are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So fraction of vowel is 5 by 11. The simplest form of 180 divided by 480 is, so 18 divided by 48. Now 2 times 9, 18 and 2 times 24, 48. Now 3 times 3, 9 and 3 times 8, 24. So 3 by 8. Now let's see third. If a bag has 30 marbles, out of which 10 are red, 15 are white and rest are orange, then the fraction of marble that are orange is. So total is 30. An orange marble will be 30 minus 10 plus 15, which is 5. So 5 divided by 30, which is 1 by 6. So our answer is 5 by 11, 3 by 8, 1 by 6, which is option D. Question number 35. Priyanka wants to go to post office. Which of the following route using the given map is the shortest so that she can save her time? Let's calculate the length of the route for each of the option. Home to garden 2 km, garden to college 1 km and college to post office 3 km. So total is 6 km. Now home to market 4 km, market to post office 3 km. So total is 7 km. Let's see, home to temple 3 km, temple to market 2 km and market to post office 3 km. So 3 plus 2 5 plus 3 8 km. Now home to temple 3 km and temple to post office 2 km. So total is 5. So shortest route will be home to temple to post office. So our answer is option D.
Make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.